In this video, I'll guide you on how to send inventory to ShipBob, a leading fulfillment service for e-commerce businesses. If you're just getting started, I'll show you how to request access and walk you through the steps of sending your inventory. So first, open your browser and go to google.com, search for ShipBob, and then click on their official website, and it will redirect you to their homepage. So on the upper right corner, you'll see there a create an account button. You'll just need to click on that and then fill out the form with your basic information, first name and your last name. So on with your business name and your business website. So on also with your phone number, and then how many orders are you shipping per month. Also include your email address and a password of yours. Once everything's set up, just simply click the Get Started button and then proceed to the next procedure. So, assumingly you've completed the setup process and have access to ShipBob. So, here's how you send inventory to their fulfillment center, although I can't show you since I don't have a existing business. So, first, go to app, which is the app.shipbob.com, and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your ShipBob dashboard. And then on the dashboard, navigate to the inventory tab and then click on send inventory or create new transfer. And then enter the details of the inventory you're sending, like product SKUs, like stock keeping units, and then quantity of each item and any special handling instructions. And then choose the ShipBob fulfillment center where you'd like to send your inventory. This may depend on your customer's location or ShipBob's recommendations. And then prepare and ship your inventory. Like ShipBob will provide you with a shipping label or shipping instructions, and then pack your inventory securely and attach the provided shipping label. And then ship your inventory via the designated carrier like UPS, FedEx, or freight service. Once your shipment arrives at the ShipBob Fulfillment Center, they'll update your dashboard to show the received inventory. You can monitor your inventory levels and fulfillment status in real time from your ShipBob account. And that's it. So although I can show you directly the procedure, I hope this guide helps. That's how you send inventory to ShipBob. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.